Finding the solution of pair of linear equation in two variables by graphical method. Now, in many cases, you might have some two linear equations, okay? Let's say, for example, in our case, we have 3x plus 2y is equal to 13 and 2x minus y is equal to 4, which are in two variables, x and y, okay? These are the variables, and you are asked to find out the solution by using the graphical method. Okay, find the solution of the following pair of lines using the graphical method. Now in these cases, what we need to do is, we need to find out 2 points. So let's say, for example, if this is your graph, okay, if I have to draw this line, I'll find 2 points on this particular graph. Let's say this and this, and I just draw a straight line connecting this line. So the equation of this line will be, let's say, for example, 3x plus 2y is equal to 13. Now please don't go by the shape and form of this line. It might actually be different, which we will see, but the idea is to just tell you the concept, right? Again, then you might have some other line, okay, 2x minus y is equal to 4. Let's say there are 2 points through which this line passes, and this is how it is drawn. The point where these two lines are intersecting is known as the solution of these two lines, right? So what we need to do is we need to first find out what are these points, okay, through which this line pass. And for that, what we do is we put in some value of x for which we get the corresponding value of y, and similarly for y, right? So let's first try it for 3x plus 2y is equal to 13. So basically, let me put in the value of x as 1 over here. When I put in x as 1 over here, what do I get? 3 times x, or 3 plus 2y is equal to 13, which means that 2y is equal to 13 minus 3, or 10, and y is equal to 5. So one pair of value which I got for this is 1 and 5. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 5. Now let's say, for example, we say that the value of y is equal to 2, okay? In that case, what happens is that we get 3x plus 2y, 2 into y, 4, is equal to 13, or 3x is equal to 13 minus 4, which is 9, x is equal to 3. So the second set of values that we get is 3 and 2. Similarly, for this particular thing, if I put in the value of x as 0, okay, what do I get? 2 times x, 0 minus y is equal to 4, or y is equal to minus 4. So for the second line, I get 0 and minus 4 as one value. And if I put in y is equal to 0, then I get 2x, which is this over here, 2x minus y, which is 0, is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. So I get 2 and 0. Now, like I told you, first what we will do is we are going to draw two lines, one with this set of value and the other one with this set of value, right? So we have 1, 5 and 3, 2. So if you see, if I just take the point 1, 5, so when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 5. So I draw this point 1, 5 and I call it as A. That's first point, right? The second one is that 3, 2. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. 2 over here. So this B point comes in over here. Then I'll just connect this A and B and draw a straight line like this, right? Which is this particular line. Similarly, I'll take the other 2 points, which is 0, minus 4 and 2 and 0. So when x is 0, y is minus 4. So 0 minus 4. And then basically 2 and 0. When x is 2, y is equal to 0. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. And then I just connect these two to draw a straight line. The point of intersection of line AB, which is this one, and let me call this as CD, which is this point, is the solution of these two lines. And if I look at it, the solution, if I just take it to the y-axis, it takes me to point 2. So I've taken the value as 2. If I draw a line towards the x-axis, the value is 3. So I take the line as 3. So 3, 2 is the solution to these pair of lines.